everyone. Hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My people, on this social media, when I will see say people go dey suffer, people go dey cry, say they need money. You will see cry, they go say they need money, they don't see who help them. So now some people can't get money. All those are our politicians where they thief our money. If money, they can't get money, they can't hide them. They don't bring them out. Like they can't hide them. And now here you see people go they cry for social media and they say, you know, see money to take care of a pikin, no, if pikin want meme, oh, you need money to take care of them, oh, if pikin they sick, oh, no, but doesn't they not go see money to take care of their children. So their pikin will come meme. Son, though they cry for social media. Now I see one video where money surplus, so that the money can't even they spoil. Politicians not going bring, they're not going to bring the money come out. My people. Now if some people just get money, they just hide down. Wanna see money, my people. See it go. See money. Bundles. The money self, you're not gonna let use again. People did this world though, my people. If people they suffer, they know they see money. So who gets can't keep you? I damn. Not bring them out. Now wow. For Wire Road. Wanna listen. Now wow. See money. I'm not at the sea, so yeah. See money. And money just for all those Ghana must go on at the sea, so money na full land. Na full Ghana must go. Now wow. See money. People they cry say money not dey. Money not dey. One person get them, he hide them. He not bring them out. People they suffer, they cry, say oh, money not dey, oh, they not see money use, oh. Who get? He hide him. This life, it not balance, oh. It not balance by people. Now wow, that wow for Wire Road then. Now wow. Some kind of things when you will see sometimes you go shocked alive 10 times. You go shocked alive like you go surprise. People not just get this money so we see they not use them. If such money can spoil. Hey, now wow. Not the way Musa no go see forget to. Not when Musa no go see forget to. People just did the suffer. Some people just get the money, they hide them. They hide them, we will not see them. And people are dying, people are crying, say, oh, they not see money use, oh, they not see money to take care of their pikin for hospital, they not see money. I mean, they look for the video where they get for talk. I'm not gonna say I'm again. What she for talk, say, see what they happen for. I say Nigeria, it no balance that country. Not balance, so not balance. That's where we will not go. Yeah, that's where we will not go see my darling people. Now what for Wire Road? Who get money just keep on. People they cry. People they suffer. They not see money use. You will get them. You hide down. Wow. Now yeah, you say people they sick for social media, they go they cry. They don't see money use. You will just get Sophie hide down. Wow, my people. That's why I do this video. We show whether watching this our politicians, some of them, what did they do? So if now good see my people, I bet Mona let me know my darling people really. Because the thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me. It's not nothing is known as see money wey be say people dey suffer they don't see. Now some people go see go country where they for the help them because they not let them stay. They'll begin they cry. They say now so Germany not good though. This place not good though. Yeah, not good there. Una see that kind of benefit for Nigeria. Now not stay Nigeria. Not be people get money now they hide them. The money come they spoil. They don't bring money come out. Maybe we use you. They don't bring them out. They will see they not they see where people go they cry on social media and say their pikin they die. Oh. That's why I don't reach my ogbonge people. So who get here? Make you hear am more. Wetin Nigerians dey do, whether na good thing or na bad thing. Let me know for the comment section. Thank you and bye.